chemicals?
Dangerous chemicals.
Yes, it is really bad. Oh, it can. It's so good. But anyway, what we are going to do today, we're going to mix solid chemicals and liquid chemicals. We're going to see what happens, yeah? Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Here you go. May I have your own? There you go, yeah?
Why is he talking weird?
Who is it?
Why are you talking
Can you say it in German, yeah? No? What is your name? Parker. I think that's German for something. Hot dog? I don't know. Okay. So do you need some help? You need some help getting the lid off, yeah?
I can do it.
Okay.
Are we going to drink it?
Oh, if you want to.
I got it, guys. I'm the only one that got it.
This fellow's a modern day Willy Wonka and the Chocolate
Drink
Factory.
it, I got it. Oh.
The professor, huh? The mad professor?
Did you shake these up first?
No.
You sure?
Oh, I would not drink it. It's dangerous chemicals. Oh,
You're
yeah.
very, very
Oh,
Can
dangerous.
we
yes.
drink it?
It can cause cancer in laboratory rats, yeah?
Soda. It says soda.
Okay.
That's cola.
So boys, what's going to happen, I don't know if you've done this before or not, but these are Mentos, and they're going to cause little chemical reactions in your soda. So the goal here is to put as many of them in as you can before it erupts. Okay? Hang on. Now chances are you won't get more than 2 in before it starts spewing all over you. Okay? The nice thing is that this is Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, and it's not sticky, and you'll dry it. So,
We can keep it off the float anyway.
Yeah.
hang on 1 second. So what you're gonna do?
Nice.
What you going to do, young man? Yeah, let's not get those wet.
Yeah.
Okay, I will demonstrate, and then you can do your own. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Give it a try. Yeah.
Taylor,
I
stop.
got 2 in before the
Whoa!
I got 2 in before the
Nice. No.
Mine exploded too. I got 2 in
Just
before
sick.
it exploded.
So boys,
Eat that stuff.
hello boys.
Yeah.
Back your soap down.
So you know the old. What is better, Coke or Pepsi? Yeah. Do you know? Pepsi, Coke. Well, let us find out. Okay.
Actually, Sprite.
Sprite. We have Diet Coke. We have Diet Pepsi. Yeah.
Red Sox. How many would you like?
As many as you'd like to put in.
Ah.
So okay, boys. Shall we see which one will explode higher? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Our goal here is to
You
put
wanna
in as
back
many
up?
as we can. Are you ready, Mr. Spencer?
Ready when you are.
1, 2, 3, 4, go, go, go!
We did do it right there that you missed.
Yeah.
How many did you get in there?
I don't know. I just took a hit and tried to pull it.